How to make money from Facebook in 2019. Are you using Facebook and you do not know that people are making 5-figure and 6-figure income from Facebook? Then this is the video for you. Literally, there are 10s and even 20 ways that you can use on Facebook to earn money online. But in this video, I will cover these 3 methods because these are the top methods that people are using and they are making some handsome money per month. But before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concepts, and how to become an entrepreneur and leave your 9-to-5 job. If you wanted to get similar types of videos, consider subscribing to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. If you wanted to earn a full-time income from home using my most recommended system, then I have placed that link in the description box below. You can use that link and join this system to leave your 9-to-5 job. So let's get started with today's video, and the first method that I will guide you is known as ad breaks. Facebook ad breaks is similar to the YouTube Partners program. If you know about the YouTube Partners program or you have heard about, in that method YouTube actually show ads in front of your videos. Let's suppose you have created a YouTube channel and you are uploading videos on your YouTube channel and you have reached 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours, then you can apply for the YouTube Partners program. So once you get approved, YouTube will show ads in front of your video. This is how you can make money. Similar to this concept, Facebook has also introduced its own concept with the name of Facebook Ads Break. If you just move to the Facebook, what are ad breaks? Ad breaks are the short ads that you can include in your eligible videos to earn money. Ads are placed and natural breaks in your content, or you can choose your own placements. So if you have watched videos on the Facebook, there are certain ads you have watched in between the videos. These are called ad breaks. Now let's look at what are the eligibility requirements in order to earn money from ad breaks. These are the eligibility requirements. Monetization eligibility standards. It's important to be familiar with these standards, not only to be eligible for ad breaks but to stay eligible. These are generally revolve around creating your own content, don't copying someone else's content. Just like YouTube's guidelines, you need to produce your own content. You cannot use abusive language, nudity, sex, or other similar content that will hurt your audience. And in the second thing, you must have 10,000 followers. Let's suppose you have created a Facebook page. There must be 10,000 followers. Videos must be published from a page, not a profile that has at least 10,000 followers. So it means you must have a Facebook page and you at least have 10,000 followers. The third requirement is 1 minute views for 3-minute videos. This matrix helps determine how successful you will be able to monetize with ad breaks. In the last 60 days, you need to have had 30,000 1-minute video views on videos that are at least 3 minutes long. So let's suppose you have videos that are 3 minutes long. So once you have achieved 30,000 views that remains for 1 minute long and it all happened in the last 60 days, you have met this criteria. The fourth and the last one is country and the language availability. Ad breaks as a program is continuing to expand. Review our channel list of supported countries in this article. So currently it is available within few language and few countries. So just going to show you few of the countries name to get a better idea. But don't worry, let's suppose if your country doesn't include in that list, but you should continue to keep working on your Facebook page, and you can hope that Facebook will ultimately open up that service in your country as well. Ad breaks, country and the language availability. Current language availability, these are currently, you can see that these are the languages on which you can avail this ad breaks opportunity, and these are the current country availability. You can just look at these countries. Nearly, it is more than 50 countries list, so you can just get all major countries in these lists. And unfortunately, if your country is not there, but you can hope for the best that in the future Facebook will add your country in that list. So how you can start your journey with this concept? Just create your account with the Facebook. I know nearly all of you have a Facebook account, and just create a Facebook page. How you can create your Facebook page? Just move to the facebook.com and there is a section known as create. Just click on that create button and you will offered with the Facebook page. Just create a Facebook page. But in order to run your Facebook page, you must produce content on a regular basis. And this is great for people who are actually running their YouTube channel. So what they can do, they can use that content that they are uploading on their YouTube channel. They can use the same content on their Facebook. But keep remember that you cannot use other people's content. I am just talking about the content that you are creating on your YouTube channel. So all you need is to create a Facebook page on Facebook and start uploading videos that you are uploading on your YouTube channel. Just start publishing that videos into your Facebook page. In this video, just you are getting information about this method, but in the coming videos I will show you how you can do that in a step-by-step manner. So that's how you can start publishing your articles or videos into your Facebook page. And once you get people coming to your page, they will like your videos, they will follow you, then you can definitely meet these criteria. And once you meet these criteria, you can eligible to use Facebook ad breaks onto your Facebook videos. Facebook is currently offering more than the YouTube because there is a lot of competition around there between the YouTube and the Facebook, and the Facebook wanted to bring in more creators from the YouTube to its own platform, and this is where we can take advantage of these two platforms and earn more money. The next method is Facebook ads. You knew that Facebook has billions of traffic coming on this platform every month, and these are the people from every part of the world. These are the people who have different interests, every type of people you can find on the Facebook. So there is no shortage of traffic. So what people are doing, people are actually using the Facebook ads and they are promoting different products and services using affiliate marketing. I have just created a simple diagram how people are taking the advantage of Facebook ads. This is just a summary of the Facebook ads, in which this is actually a 3-step method in which people are running Facebook ads on the Facebook, so they need to pay money. There's a bridge page. So let's suppose they are running a Facebook ad related to the weight loss. How to lose belly fat in 10 days. Let's suppose people, they click on these ads, they then move to this bridge page. Bridge page is actually a safe page because this page is created because of Facebook don't like to connect or link its ads directly to the affiliate offer. It's against the Facebook terms and conditions. So Facebook do not like to be linked directly with the affiliate offer. So for that purpose, we created a bridge page. So what we are doing, we are actually sending traffic from the Facebook to our bridge page. Bridge page is just little information about the weight loss. So the ad is related to the weight loss and bridge page is also related to the weight loss. So once people move to that page, and in that page we have mentioned our main product. So let's suppose we have written that in order to lose belly fat, I have used this product that has reduced my weight in the last 1 month. If you wanted to get this product, then please click that link, and once those visitors who have moved from the Facebook click on that button, they will be moved to the affiliate offer page. This is the page that we are promoting different affiliate products. You can join ClickBank, you can join Amazon, you can join a lot of different affiliate platforms out there, and we are actually promoting these products from those platforms. So once those people click on the button and they move to the affiliate offer page, which is our affiliate offer, and once people buy that product, we will earn affiliate commission. So people are earning thousands of dollars from this strategy. I have seen that people are making $30,000 per day, $50,000 per day just because of Facebook ads. It is all about investing your money on the Facebook ads and getting positive return on investment all of your campaign. So if you get positive return on investment, you can again refuel in the funnel. So do this process again and again, and you can scale this process very easily. This is how people are making money from the Facebook ads. Let's move to our third method, that is sell your services and products. Have you seen many Facebook groups where people are selling their services, they are selling their training products, they're selling their different software? So literally people are making thousands of dollars using this strategy. In order to sell your service or sell your products, you need to be part of different groups. Let's suppose you have created training about how to make money online. So all you need is to join different groups, and you need to provide value to these groups, and just interact with the community. Once people they know you, they will definitely follow you. And if you just share a lot of your success stories, definitely people will ask about you. So you can just sell your product or sell your training product to these people, and people will pay you to get the insight about these trainings. That's how I have seen that people are selling SEO services, people are selling training products, people are selling software. So if you wanted to make money from selling your own services and products, you can use Facebook platform, because literally there are billions of people who are part of different groups. I hope you like this video. If you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. In the coming days, I will discuss detail about each and every method in order for you to start your journey in a step-by-step manner. That's all for today. Thank you.